chime, be a part of your mind. Let the rhyme intertwine like a vine. Work your mentally found intellect. I raise eyes like the sight of a check. Let's take a trip inside of my thoughts. When I persevere on the mic like sports. Take me in stride, don't seems worth listening. Watch the tricks of a hoe who's a vixen. Tender eyes that only lead you a hard on. Touch your tongue stick, you to be a part on. I'm max relaxed, moving out like a sax. One of my goals is to make fast stacks. Then I flip the money to establish a business. This here beat, you see I already quizzed it. I gave it a test, for the rhyme linguistics. Honey wanna kiss, gotta remove the lipstick. I dig lips with natural juices. Soft and lickable now, rough and ruthless. Because of many people I've been denied. Gas in my tank taking me for a ride. But I'm all right now, smooth as the turnpike. Cause I'm on squad, organized and searchlight. Meditate daily I do, so I sort things I consider in my mind as deep thought.
Word, lie, word, lie, word, lie.
Ride the wave, do me a favor. Give it a chance if a nigga has flavor. Years have passed, now training is over. I'm being intoxicated, now I'm kinda sober. Verses serve a purpose like workers. Yet there's clowns making hip-hop a circus. Me, I'm an architect, mark my sweat. Brain of an engine, better yet a Corvette. Thoughts are surging like a submerging. Some subjects never been touched like a virgin. Urging MCs to wear my rap. I'm destroying all things that go through my path. It doesn't matter the sex type, old to see now. Niggas getting done by the rolling and freestyle. Rhythms are constantly switching and changing. Name is OC, I wrote and arranged this. Fluctuation, I had it like seasoning before I was missed. Now I'm more than a reason, poetically astounded. Round the sounding, my brain was